Hello and welcome to the Seymour Rosie channel. My name is Dave and this is my wife Vicki, and we started our RV adventures in 2020. 2023 and 2025 we went to Alaska, but in 2026 we're traveling to Idaho to visit our grandson and to look around the Gem State and also Big Sky country of Montana. Welcome to the channel. Hope you enjoy the videos. It is Wednesday, the 24th of June. It's 9:21 in the morning. We're southbound on US 95. We left Hunters this morning. We got the truck worked on yesterday. I had given a little bit of input on the truck. I got referred to Weaver's Diesel in Coeur d'Alene, and they fixed me up in 2 hours. And it was just amazing, the service I got at Weaver's and the way innovative way that they run their business. They invited me out in the shop to talk to the mechanic and talk to the owner of the business and come up with a plan. So we're very pleased. I believe that our truck we call Rosie is sound again, and I'm so thankful for that. This starts the adventure part of our trip. We knew we wanted to go to Hunters. Today we are heading to what's called Upper Payette Lake Campground. It's near McCall, Idaho. It's in the mountains, and interesting weather forecast. The last I looked, they're calling for snow showers here Saturday and Sunday, so it might be interesting, but we're looking forward to it, and we'll catch up with you later. After a several-hour drive, we made it to Upper Payette Lake Campground. The road leading into the campground is very potholed, so you got to go slow. And the first, I think it's 8 of these campsites are not reservable, first come, first serve. The second half of them are reservable on recreation.gov, but we were in campsite number 5. And as you can see here, I'm giving you a drone shot. This is my first attempt at any kind of filming with a drone, so bear with me. But I'll have you look around the campground. This campground is located on Upper Payette Lake, and there is a Payette Lake which is much bigger than this. I'm guessing this is 100 to a couple hundred acre lake. It is wake free, so there's no powered boats on it. To the best of my knowledge, we didn't see any, but it is a very scenic, very beautiful area. And Vicky and I then decided to take our kitty cat and a walk in her stroller that we have for her as we go around the campground, and we'll show you part of what this campground looks like from a ground level view. We saw these flowers pictured here several times along the road on the drive to the campground, but if anybody knows what they are, please comment in the comments below as to what they are. After a walk around the campground, I happened to look up and see this rainbow and this ring around the sun, something I've never seen before. Very interesting. As always, I thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Hey, you can do me a huge favor and a favor to the channel by hitting the subscribe button and also a like. Greatly appreciated. See you on the next one.